What's good, everyone? John Pizza. We're going to go over how to generate a website using Zyfo.ai technology today. It is the fastest AI website generator that I found, and it is absolutely the best. I've been able to make so many websites in so little time, and they look so good. This is the perfect AI website generator for your business or your company, and you need to use it right now.
Okay, so the first step is to go to your web browser and type in Zyfo.ai, and click enter. It'll take you to the homepage of Zyfo where you can see all the features and scroll through, but we're just going to go right up to the top where it says generate site. After you get on the generate site page, you'll see this tell us about the website you want, where you can type in exactly what you want in your website. I'm going to type out just a little bit about a hot dog restaurant that I've been interested in getting started up. Now that I have the description typed up, I just click Ask Zyfo. And now Zyfo is going to think about some questions that it wants to ask us in order to make the website even better. Please provide customer testimonials, upload an image or video of your hot dogs, provide the restaurant's address, and you can put in the pricing details of your menu. Or we can even choose images. All these are optional, so I'm just going to let AI fill them in for me. But I could also answer all of these to make the website even more precise and fit exactly what I needed. For the color scheme, I can choose whatever I want or even pick a custom scheme, and I can change the tone of the website. I'm going to go with casual, but I like the default color scheme already selected, so I'm going to go with that. Now we can choose to get that logo, phone number, email address, Facebook, Instagram, which will all go on the website. I'm going to select Instagram and Twitter and put in my information here. And the email is filled in by default if you're signed in. I'm going to get rid of it though for now. Click on next, and we can deselect anything that doesn't apply. But I do want to grow a mailing list and get contacted and provide information about my restaurant. So I'm going to keep all of these selected and click generate. And here's the best part of the process. We just sit and wait. And the AI is generating an entire website for us as we just sit here and wait. It won't take any longer than 10 more seconds. And see, just like that, it's done. Let's see what it came up with. John's Dog, Seaside Hot Dog Haven. This is cool, and it's got some images. And I actually wanted it to show more just images of hot dogs. So I'm going to look up hot dog images, and I'm going to select that one. Looks good. I'm going to select that one. And even if I had my own hot dog images, I could come here and upload them myself. But I want to, maybe I'll sprinkle in an image of a dog in there. Keep everyone on their toes. That's a cute one. And then click preview changes, and we can see that it updated the images on the website for us. We can keep scrolling down, and we can edit the content and images on the website as we go. Menu, let's see. We can include in this section, we also sell hamburgers. See more information on the menu page. And then we can click add button, see menu, and then do /menu here. /menu is a page that we can create right now. So we'll click preview changes, and you can see if we come here, there's this button see menu, but it won't work right now. It could not be loaded. That's because we need to create a new page, and we'll call it menu, add page. And here is where we can input all of the rest of the data for our menu. So if we just create a couple more of these, let's say soda, I don't know if that's already on there or not, but we can proofread it after. And clams, we're by the sea. And let's change this to, let's just look up menu and see what it comes up with. It looks good. Preview changes. You can see it lists out soda, clams, and you can edit this to fill in exactly what you want. You can include prices and everything. Um, One final thing that's missing from my website though. Oh, and you can see also menu pops up right here in the corner. And now if we click on see menu, links right to the menu. One final thing that's missing though before I publish my website is the location. So let's create a new page again and let's see, let's call it Find Us. Capitalize it, Find Us. Add page. We'll generate a new page, Find Us. And let's edit this. Let's get rid of this image component and instead add a map component. And then we can customize this to include whatever address that we'd like. So I'll click preview changes now. And you can see that there's a map that's been created where you can input whatever address you'd like, and it will generate a map to that location. And you can see now that both menu and Find Us is available at the top. You can customize this to say whatever you'd like. Find Us, and you can say maybe your address right here. Make it super easy for everyone to copy paste into their Google Maps. So now we've got all these pages, all these links, and this is all mobile friendly by default, by the way. And we've got all this. A contact form, this is looking really good. This is exactly what I wanted. And now we're going to click publish. And just in one click, congrats on publishing your website. I've published my website and you can access it on the internet right now. I'll link this in the description so that you can check it out. We've got all of this information, contact form, menu, like that works. Find Us, that works. And it all looks really good. And that took me, I don't know how long, 5 minutes. So check that out. It's Zyfo.ai. Link is down in the description.
I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.